Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you and explain to you how to use Instagram shoutouts. And basically shoutout, the word shoutout means a post that is promoting someone's business or Instagram account, products or things like that. Okay, so let's go now to the page. So I'm on this page and right here, we have a shout out, not a shout out, basically a post that is of Inmars, Yannis company. And we have a specific, uh, here it says something, some words, then it says follow Inmars, then it has specific hashtags, okay? And let's say that another person from another account, Instagram account, maybe one that we don't even know, sends us a specific, video or business logo or things like that, and he wants us to make a shout out for him. So let's say that Intmars was not Yannis's business, and it was some, some other business, some stranger's business, and he said to us, look, please put a video and make a shout out for Inmars. And we said, okay, good. So we made the video. Right here you can see it. You see, it's beautiful, okay? And he said also, put up this specific quote here, then put follow Inmars, then put Inmars, blah, 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 these kind of hashtags, okay? So basically this is a shout out. And I can do it also, like we can go from the motivator guide Instagram and then find out another person that has specific followers that I will show you in a little bit how to do it. And we say to him, look, we want you to make this shout out, blah, blah, blah. And we're gonna show you how exactly to do it. So right now, I'm going to show you two different types of shoutouts that are in two different categories. The first category is paid shoutouts, and you can find paid shoutouts in Fiverr.com if you know the specific here, Fiverr.com. You can go here, Instagram shoutout, and you can find, look, Instagram shoutouts 200,000, shoutout